The organizing myth takes a long time to organize your papers, and it needs to be done in full projects that you put on your schedule. You dedicate hours. Sometimes that's true with some projects, but for the most part, project based organizing, while it gives you that feeling of success faster and you feel like you're done, you do often run out of energy before it's finished. It's harder to find that large period of time in your schedule, and you miss out on the mental benefits of repetition, spreading it out over a long term, which means it is more likely to fall apart. After you've made it nice and beautiful, over time, you're going to get in exactly the same situation again, and you will have to do it all over again. Versus repetitive small step organizing. This is when you're doing small parts of a larger project over time. So there's space in between when you're doing the steps, so you can practice a skill, rest, practice a skill, and rest. It does take longer to get to the finish line. It's harder to see your progress on a daily basis, but it's easier to find that time in your schedule. You won't run out of energy partway through. It is the best way to make sure that your organizing lasts. So once you are finished with the project, you don't have to keep redoing it because it takes advantage of the mental shifts of repetition. This is also what makes decision making so much easier, which is such a huge part of the difficulty of papers. Decision making and spacing it out over time is the most important part. And this could be once a day, a couple times a week, however you want to do your spacing, just add some space in there.